Tools. Material. Put mortar and add the pieces of the pillar until the desired height is reached. Remove excess mortar and level each piece, tapping it gently with the mallet. Cut the rods to the desired height with the angle grinder. Fill the pillar with mortar. Put mortar on the upper part and place the pillar cap. Measure and place provisionally to calculate the distribution of the windscreens. We can place the spacers in a line and use a cardboard template or the plastic from the spacer box to calculate and mark the position of the windscreens. Cut the first spacer to adapt it to the gap between the pillar and the first windscreen. Place the first windscreen as a reference and calculate the first positions by marking them with the help of a ruler. Start placing the windscreen with adhesive cement, Tarifa. Verni advice: to achieve a better finish and greater resistance, we recommend placing the windscreens and handrails with adhesive cement, although it is possible to do it with mortar, white mortar. Place the spacers on the upper parts. This will serve as a reference and will give us the measurement of the distance between the different pieces. Depending on the orientation we want for our windscreens, we can choose between the left or right spacer lances. Check the level so that there is the same distance both at the top and at the bottom. Verni advice: once the first two pieces are installed, we can measure the space they occupy and mark the rest of the line with this measurement. These marks will give us the distance between the windscreens, and the spacers will give us the exact inclination. Continue to install the windscreens and to check the level. Once a section has been installed, we can start placing the handrails in order to give stability to the entire unit. Make a hole in the pillar and insert the rod which previously has been cut to the desired length. Put adhesive cement, Tarifa, on top of the spacers and the rod and start placing the handrails. Gently tap with the mallet and check the level. Continue to place windscreens and handrails following the same process. Cut the last spacer to fit the gap between the last baluster and the pillar. The same procedure as with the first spacer, and place the last handrail. To improve the resistance of the balustrade, we recommend placing intermediate pillars or pillars every 3 meters approximately. Once it is rather dry, clean the excess of adhesive cement using a trowel and then a brush if necessary. This is the lateral placement of the Tarifa windscreen, but there are two other placement options: frontal placement with the lancer's frontal spacer and linear placement without spaces between the windscreens.